Historical women of science you've never heard of? Laura Maria Caterina Bassi Verratti. This 18th century Italian woman didn't wait for permission. It was the 1700s. Women were barred from most classrooms and academic institutions. But in Bologna, in Italy, a young prodigy was quietly building a legacy that would change everything. Meet Laura Bassi, the first woman in Europe to become a physics professor. Born in Bologna in 1711, Laura had a sharp mind and a love of science. By the age of 20, Laura had privately defended 49 theses in natural philosophy in front of scholars and city leaders. This was completely unheard of for a woman at that time. In 1732, she earned her doctorate in philosophy, becoming the first woman in Europe to receive a PhD in science and the second woman ever awarded a philosophy doctorate. The same year, she began teaching at university, making her the first salaried woman university lecturer in the world. At first, she was only allowed to teach privately, but over time she gained permission to deliver public lectures on Newtonian physics, introducing the new ideas of gravity, light, and motion to Italy. Laura didn't just teach theory, she experimented at home as well. Since she was denied access to laboratory equipment because she was a woman, she set up a private lab at home with her husband. They performed investigations into electricity, hydraulics, and gas behavior, while also raising 8 children, 5 of whom survived to adulthood. Laura broke barrier after barrier. In 1745, she became the first woman elected to Bologna's Academy of Sciences, and in 1776, at the age of 65, she won the chair of experimental physics, making her the first woman ever to hold a physics professorship at a university. Over her career, she delivered annual dissertations on topics like gravity, electricity, and water, and authored 28 scientific papers, although only a handful were published during her lifetime. Laura passed away in February 1778, but not before becoming a symbol of possibility. She was recognized and depicted as Minerva, the goddess of wisdom, and she didn't just occupy space in science, she helped to shape it, paving the way for women academics and scientists for centuries.